number 15, but into the jumper is circle. Jersey number 15, passing jersey number 21, 29, long three. In and out, rebounding jersey number 3. Time remaining 56 seconds play, under 4 minutes play. Getting the ball home, jersey number 24. Cut and flop, hit the jumper is looking. Got to go to the board, now jersey number 22. Running jersey number 29, masyado malabas. Intercepting jersey number 24. David Boyce to get to jersey number 15, down to jersey number 54. Almost intercept. Simple. Substitution. I love having jersey number 7. 16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 15, baseline jumper is loaded. Got to go to rebound. Now jersey number 26. Jersey number 15. Easy down. Easy dribbling. This jersey number 15. High screen. Jersey number 15. Stop it. Pop. Critical jumper. Far away shot. It's not good. Deep in the jersey number 26. Wala pa rin. How about the shot clock? 8 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Corner pass. Jersey number 29. Hesitate. Go. 3 seconds shot clock. There's a foul away from the ball. A former-ship like foul. Immediately jersey number, what's the other? Jersey number 26 and former-ship like foul. Jersey number 26, warning for throw now. 3 minutes to go. Last ball possession para sa Barangay Tabi. Last ball possession. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 remaining 3 minutes and 1 second to play. Score 44-32. Jersey number 4, pass to jersey number 27. Back to Narbasa to jersey number 15. Losing the ball, intercepted jersey number 17. To running jersey number 15. Lays it up. Back for the ball. Now, jersey number 4, Narbasa. Pass to jersey number 15. Back to Narbasa, jersey number 4. Stop and pop for 3. It's not good. Back for the ball. Nice looking para jersey number 8. Good for 2. Score 44-34. 10.8 para sa Barangay Iloilo. Jersey number 15. He's down. He's dribbling past jersey number 22. Long 3. Out of bounds. Barangay Tabi. Pass to jersey number 24. Looking for the screen. Jersey number 24 for 3. It's not good. Bali ko na rebound. Ako na jersey number 4. Wala pa rin. Secure na rebound. Para jersey number 22. Bounce pass to jersey number 17. Bakuyo on the run. It's still clear. It's not good. No, rebound para jersey number 7. Jersey number 4. Narbasa. Against the good defender. Intercept Bakuyo. Jersey number 17. It's out to play. 1 minute and 50 seconds to play. Jersey number 22, bounce pass to jersey number 59. To jersey number 22, to jersey number 15, wide open for 3. It's so good. Body for the rebound. Now on jersey number 8. Serve time out. Pass for the game to jersey number 15. It's not the pop. It is the jumper. It's so good.